Buckle up, my fellow riders, because Royal Enfield is revving up to unleash a motorcycle extravaganza in 2023. Get ready to witness the most exciting two-wheeled spectacle of the year. The folks in Chennai are cooking up some serious magic with a lineup that'll leave you drooling. From the rugged Himalayan 450 to the iconic Bullet 350, Royal Enfield is all set to take the motorcycle world by storm. But hold on tight, folks. The 350-450cc segment has become a battlefield of pure adrenaline. With competitors like the Triumph Speed 400 and the Harley-Davidson X440, it's like a wild rodeo out there. And that's not all. Royal Enfield is spreading its wings and preparing a special treat for our international riders. A whole new range of 450cc motorcycles that pack a powerful punch. We're talking more horses under the hood and features that'll make other bikes green with envy. But wait, there's more. Royal Enfield's got a secret weapon in its arsenal. A 750cc beast that's set to rule the roads like a king. Move over 650cc models because the Big Daddy is coming to town. Now, here comes the electrifying part. Royal Enfield's got its eyes on the future with electric motorcycles. Brace yourselves for the Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650 electric concepts, charging towards a new era of emission-free rides. But let's talk about the star of the show, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. Oh boy, this one's got adventure in its DNA. With a liquid-cooled engine that's as cool as a cucumber, it's going to set the trails on fire. And guess what? The Himalayan 450 isn't the only one on this fabulous platform. Royal Enfield's got more surprises in store with other beauties like the 450cc Roadster and the 650cc Cruiser, ready to conquer the roads in style. But that's not all, folks. The new generation Bullet 350 is here to add some classic charm to the mix. It's like a blast from the past with a modern twist, taking the streets by storm and making heads turn. Now, I can't wait to see all of you roaring down the streets on these fantastic machines. Imagine the envy in the eyes of other bikers when you're on a Royal Enfield. It's like being in a never-ending victory parade. So mark your calendars, my fellow riders, because 2023 is going to be one heck of a ride with Royal Enfield. Get ready to own the roads and unleash the beast within. From the mighty Himalayan 450 to the legendary Bullet 350, Royal Enfield is here to make your motorcycle dreams come true. So get those helmets on, rev those engines, and let's embark on a thrilling journey together.